How to remove a story from highlight on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. The first step guys, it's going to Instagram. Then open it. After this, when your Instagram is open, you will just go to your profile to find your highlight story. For example, I want to hide a highlight story, one highlight. I will just go to it and then I will go to this 3 point here. Then I will click remove from highlight. Then I will click remove, and that's it. As you see now, I don't have any highlights. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next video.